Up next is a barely used 2017 Harley-Davidson FLHTK Electra Glide Ultra Limited. I shouldn't do this with gum in my mouth. Bike has, hit the button here, 1,401 miles on it as of right this moment. Needless to say, it's in perfect condition and it's back here on consignment. Priced slightly lower than the new bikes, brand new bikes that is, but lower enough to save you a lot of money. Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos and check out this vivid black beauty today. We're open 7 days a week.